Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Wilmaline and guess what I'm gonna do today is cooking. Bear with me, I have a hay fever, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna stop cooking for my family. So the dinner for today is a sweet and sour chicken with garlic bread and rice. Sweet and sour chicken is one of the dishes that I've learned when I was working. We use these dishes to push to the customer to try it, and most of our customers love it. And I've learned how to cook at it because the chef cook is my friend, so he teach me how to cook. And then from then I get married, and my kids, my husband love it as well. So every now and then I cook sweet and sour. So here's the ingredients that we need to use. We're gonna need an onion, large, some peppers. I cut it half each. I don't want it too much. My kids don't like that vegetable, but my husband eats vegetables. So I kinda balance it. So we're gonna need egg. I'm gonna show you later how. I could not find a cucumbers bigger than this. So this is only I could find in Tesco. So still okay. And a chicken breast. You need some pineapple. You can have pineapple fresh, but it's too big to waste it. So I'll just get a can of pineapple. You're gonna need salt, vinegar, peppers, black peppers, and a little bit of soy sauce. And when you make first is the chicken. You're gonna marinate it. So when you cut the chicken, it's a little bit stripy, so it cook well. And we're gonna start marinate them by 1 egg. Use your hands. I wash my hands, so it's all good. Just mix it with the egg like this. You know what? I'm gonna wash my other hand, so at least just keep it clean. My other hand. So you mix it with the egg and chicken. Put a little bit salt. Just a little bit salt. Don't worry about not too salty because it will be okay. And then after you mix it, you're gonna need some flour. You can use cornstarch, or if you have some frying breaded mix, you can use that as well. But I use flour for now. And mix it well. So when you fry it later, you got that crispy kind of taste. I like it a little bit crispy, and it's really tastes good. So this is how it look like. And then you can add on some peppers. My hands is, yeah, I'm gonna wash it. Every time I'm cooking, I always need peppers. Of course you need the peppers, right? Who doesn't like peppers? They give a taste of your food. So now it's mixed already your chicken. You just put it aside while you are cutting the rest of the vegetables. So I've already cut the vegetables. So here's the pineapple, red and yellow peppers, lots of onion, and a baby cucumbers. So just put that aside. So we got the vegetable, the chicken. Now we're gonna make the sauce. We're gonna need some little bit of vinegar. You need at least 4 tablespoons. I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll make it 5. And we're gonna need some sugar, just 1 tablespoon of sugar. and tomato sauce, maybe 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just mix it very well, and you can see the can feel that vinegary sweet. So that's how it looked like. That's like a maroon color. And to give it a little bit taste with that kind of Asian style, you just need 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce. And that should be done. That is really nice. This one only you make is only for start. You can add on later. So how is that taste for you to be like more sweet, more sour? So this is just how you make the sauce. I'm just showing you how to make the sauce first, so you can add on later if you're gonna make more of it. So yeah, that's it is. So first thing we're gonna do is fry the chicken. And you're gonna need a pan and a little bit oil. Don't put too much oil so it doesn't sprinkle. And you're gonna need a wooden clip, and check it first before. If you think it's a little bit bubbles, it means that it's ready to put the chicken. And you can put chicken one by one like this, like that. Chicken are very easy to cook, so you don't have to worry about it too much. The hardest part when you make sweet and sour is frying the chicken one by one. So what I learned from the restaurant is, because it's quite famous in our restaurant, the chef would cook lots of chicken already fried and get ready all the vegetable cut, and when there's a customer coming, they just cook it, so they don't have taking too long for them to wait. So that's why the hardest part is cooking the chicken. I don't want you to get bored watching the chicken to be cooked. So what's gonna happen? So that's the one. You have to wait until it's a little bit like a brown color, then it should be cooked already. And once it's cooked, I'll show you and see you in I don't know how many minutes until it's all cooked. So I've just finished make the chicken. That is how it looked like, a little bit brown. And we're gonna start stir fry the vegetables. So I'm putting a little bit oil in it, and I'm gonna put number 7. It's gonna be a bit noise, so don't worry. I'll show you one by one. And we're gonna start from onion. Ooh! Yeah. So just keep mixing the onion until it's a little bit brown. Onion is really good smell. And then we're gonna put the peppers. And the cucumbers. And then you boil some water, just a little bit, to get it soft, the vegetable. So I'm putting the pineapple. Oops. now because of this and that. I just have to open the door so that it doesn't alarm. Really smell good. I love the smell of it. Let me just quick show you how it looks like. This is how it looks like. And then we're gonna put some little bit of water. Oopsie, my camera is not really good. Yeah. So the water just boiled. And we'll put a little bit of water. Thanks, more. And yeah. Yeah. I love it so much. In Chinese, they want to eat the vegetable a bit crunchy and cook, but in this house I have to cook it properly because my husband doesn't like it hard, like it soft. So now, because it's kind of mixing it well, you're just gonna have to put your sauce. And mix it well. I'm gonna put it high so I can cook it properly. Oh, I could smell that vinegar. I'm just gonna try it. Oopsie, I dropped the cucumber. And now we're gonna put the chicken. Ooh. I think I make so much chicken than the vegetable. So, my sweet and sour. No, I think the sauce is not enough. I'm gonna add on some tomato. Oh yeah. Let me just show you a bit. Oh gosh. The sweet and sour. Let me try one. What is it? Nice. Delicious. So now it's cooked and ready to serve. I'm just gonna have to wait for the garlic bread and then dinner is done. So here's the sweet and sour. It's finished and cooked. I have rice and egg. This is supposed to be one egg. It come out twin egg yolk. I guess it's lucky. So yeah, this would serve with garlic bread or anything you like. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe and put a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and enjoy.